Everybody likes to hop on Houzz and Pinterest these days and see all these really cool things, the personal touches that you can add to a house. We want to coach you and encourage you to do as much of this on your own. Construction knowledge doesn't always translate to how successful you are. The people that follow the plan and keep things simple are the most successful. My primary mission would be to help people and empower people in realizing that they can do this on their own. Over the years, we've put together tools and resources and spreadsheets to help organize things in a specific schedule that we've found to be almost foolproof. The clear advantage would be certainly the 30 to 40% you would typically pay a general contractor, but some of the other advantages are creative flexibility, negotiation of contracts and materials, and of course that rewarding feeling and pridefulness of being able to do that. When you sign up, you get instant access to all of Buildversity's content. For those who want to go deeper, we offer customizable plans to assist you in any phase of construction. I'll coach you through it. I won't let you make any mistakes. You can do this.